If you think you're getting underpaid at your job, then you need to listen to this. I used to work over 60 hours a week, and the money I was getting wasn't worth the time. And there was always some type of problem. I was not getting paid on time, and everyone else seemed to be making more money than I was. But what I didn't realize is that I was actually exchanging more time for more money, whereas companies actually prefer more value. Once I realized this, I was able to get more money for working the same amount of hours. Typically, a job pays you for the time that you're there, from when you clock in to when you clock out. And what you have to remember is that there was always somebody that will work those same hours or work more for less than you want. The goal is to prove to the company that you are more valuable than the money they are currently paying you for the time that you are giving them. Instead of going to your employer and asking for more money for the same amount of time, you need to be showing them that your value is worth more than they are paying you. You can do this by logging the current value that you are providing and presenting this to your employer. And that's what I did. I showed my employer that the value that I was providing the company was worth more than anybody else, and that's how I got my pay rise. And if you want any more tips and tricks on how you can get more money at work or how you can put more value into your work, then follow me for more.